Alright, what up, world? So, y'all gotta check this out, man. I don't believe in coincidences. I just got this book. See that? Look, I just ordered this book. It's called Fossilized Customs, the Pagan Sources of Popular Customs. Are you ready to go to the next level? Paleo Hebrew for the Name of the Father and Son, by Lou White, 6th edition, Serving Yahweh, the Elohim of Israel. There's the back. Pretty cool, right? And so this is a used book I bought through Amazon, and it actually came from a Goodwill. But look where this bookmark is. This is not, look, I don't believe in coincidences, so let's read this. I got like halfway done reading it a second ago, and then the video messed up, so let's go ahead and read this here. Okay, Cure for Viruses, page 61. Dr. Madeleine Moncoglu, doing research at the Hebrew University Hadassah Medical Center in Jerusalem, has found the answer to the influenza virus and the common cold. It is a syrup derived from the plant Sambucus nigra, better known as the black elderberry. She calls it Sambuco. The man who discovered interferon, Dr. Gene Lindemann, was the supervisor at the virology lab when Madeleine was looking for a topic for her doctoral research. He suggested elderberries. They have possibilities, he said. In any case, I've got 10 kilos of them in my deep freeze. As viruses cannot replicate themselves outside of living cells, they have to invade cells to survive. If you can stop them from invading cells, you've defeated the disease, she said. She tested the black elderberry proteins against the influenza B virus first, and discovered that they actually prevent the virus from invading the cell. The influenza virus invades cells by puncturing the cell wall with the tiny spikes of hemagglutinin that cover its surface. The active ingredient in the elderberry disarms the spikes, binds to them, thus stopping them from piercing the cell membrane. This was the first discovery, says Dr. Momkoglu. Next, we found evidence that elderberry proteins fight the influenza virus in another way, too. The viral spikes are covered with the enzyme neuraminidase, which helps break down the cell wall. The elderberry inhibits the action of the enzyme. My guess is that we'll find that elderberry acts against viruses in other ways as well. Clinical trials have proven that this health food product actually works and requires no medical approval because it is not a drug. For example, in a study of patients with influenza, half were given 4 doses daily of Sambuco, the name given to the product, and half were given a placebo. Within 24 hours, the symptoms of 20% of the Sambuco patients had significantly improved: fever, cough, muscle pain. After the second day, 735 declared themselves cured. Among the placebo group, only 16% were improved after 2 days, and it took most of them 6 more days to feel well again. Sambuco is no more than a health food officially, but interest is snowballing all over the world. In Hadassah's virology lab, it has been seen to inhibit the AIDS virus, and encouraging results are being seen now against the herpes and Epstein-Barr viruses. You can probably find this product in any good health food store. We stock it in lozenge form for if you need it for $12, $13 per bottle. I spent almost 2 years trying to get in touch with the suppliers when it first came out so that people would have access to it. A friend of mine came down with chickenpox. As an adult, it could have been fatal or severely damaging to him, and he was covered from head to toe with sores. 2 days later, after taking Sambuco, he was not only completely well but had no signs of the sores.